So if you need to move your passwords to another manager or make a backup, yeah, exporting from Bitwarden is simple, but you must do it safely. First, open the Bitwarden Web Vault and log in. Now go to Settings and open the Tools section. Click Export Vault to start the process. You may need to enter your master password or verify with 2FA. Choose a format like CSV or JSON. Download the export file to your device. Store it in a secure location immediately and delete it if you no longer need it. And that's it. Now you know how to export passwords from Bitwarden safely.